Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check Excel files in the directory for corruption. Well, corruption might happen when you download the files from the internet, for example, or like downloading it from the FTP server and connection got cut up in the middle. So it is important to make sure that the files are not corrupted. So here we have a directory, the C drive called data. We have another directory called Majestic Farm. And here where we hold our files. So let's start from creating workflow package. Let's call it check Excel. Corruption. And we are going to loop over Excel files in the directory. In fact, we can loop over any files. Add files loop and we select the file. And we'll be using mask. And we will send the loop value to the variable called file. And we will also add another action called check Excel file. And we just again set file name to variable. And all we need to do now is to run it. All good. Let's say, for example, we create some corrupted file. Just create some change the extension to something. I'm trying to run it. You see, it failed. Okay, thank you for watching. Our software can do a lot with Excel files, and it can check the formats, merge files, generate files, extract data from Excel files, set colors, etc. So if you have any questions or struggling with your Excel transformation, please go to our support forum and we'll do our best to help you. And also please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.